Hi, Sam. I'm Miss Kendra. Are you excited for your first day of school? Go ahead and come sit right here. Good job. All right, so the most important thing to remember when you're on the bus is to stay in your seat while the bus is moving. And we are at Galewood. That sound lets you know that it's okay to stand up. And if you will come with me, I will show you to your school.
Hi, Sam. Welcome to Galewood. Come on in.
Hi, welcome to Galewood. My name is Miss Candy. I'm going to be one of the first people you see when you get here.
Hi, I'm Miss Carpenter. I'm also in the main office. I can help you with things like getting ice for boo-boos or getting a birthday pencil on your special day.
Hi, Sam. Here at Galewood, we have 12 classrooms. These classrooms include kindergarten classrooms, developmental kindergarten classrooms, and an early childhood special education classroom. And the cool thing about all these classrooms is they're full of students just like you. Right now, I'm in Miss Cross's classroom. Miss Cross is a teacher, kindergarten teacher here at the building, and I'd like to introduce her to you, and she's going to go over some of the cool places in her classroom.
Hi, Sam. My name is Miss Cross, and I teach kindergarten here at Galewood. There are so many fun places in my classroom that you can learn and different ways that you get to learn in kindergarten. One of them is our teacher table. Here at the teacher table, you and a few friends will join me for lessons that are based on what you need to grow and learn. Come on over to our play kitchen. In kindergarten, every single day you have a free choice time where it allows you to play. One thing that my students love to do is to play in our play kitchen with play food. There's also many other toys in my classroom that you get to play with during free choice time. Another part of our day in the fall is that we have a rest time each day. It's about 20 minutes where we just get to calm our bodies and our brains. You bring a towel, you get to lay on the floor and just have a time where you can adjust your body, sleep if you need to, and recharge for the afternoon full of learning. And one final area I want to show you is our carpet. We do a lot of learning on the carpet in kindergarten where we sit and we use our brains and our bodies and motion together to help learn all that we're going to learn in kindergarten. Sam, I'm excited to see you next year at Galewood, and I hope you have a great summer.
Sam, this is our cafeteria. It's here that we prepare breakfast each day to be served in your classroom. This room also serves as our lunchroom. Lunch is a time for you to relax and hang out with your friends. Following lunch, you'll go outside to the playground for recess. On the playground, we have slides, monkey bars, swings, and other play equipment. Something cool about this cafeteria is that it transforms into our gym. Gym is just one of the classes that you will have here at Galewood. Other classes that you'll have include art, music, and a class to learn about your emotions. Reading books is a highlight of kindergarten. Today, the teachers of Galewood are going to read a book to you called Kindergarten Rocks by Katie Davis. The book is about the best parts of kindergarten. Sam, please enjoy the book, and we look forward to seeing you in the fall.
Kindergarten Rocks. I am Dexter Dugan, and I know everything about kindergarten. This is because I am actually going to be a kindergartner very soon. And he says, next month practically.
It's next week, Dexter. I'm an expert because my big sister Jessie went there too one time. My dog Rufus is an teensy bit scared about kindergarten. You don't have to be scared, Dex. You're going to love it.
Jessie went to kindergarten a long time ago, but she still remembers it even though she's going into 3rd grade. Rufus is scared I'll get lost on the way to school. The bus driver knows the way. Don't worry, kindergarten rocks. When Jess went to kindergarten, she wasn't big like she is now. I was a shrimp like you.
She wrote like me, and she drew like me too, only not as good. I got Jessie to help me make a list of things Rufus was scared about. I'm not worried though.
Kindergarten will be a piece of cake. No problem. I can't wait. When the bus came the next morning, the driver seemed like he knew what he was doing, so I got on. Jess, Rufus is scared I might get lost. You won't. But what if I do? You won't. But what if I forget to make a map and I get lost then? You won't. I might. You won't. But what if I do? I'm not that lucky.
Rufus was still worried, but Jessie had a great idea. If Rufus gets scared, just give him a hug. When we finally got to school, I couldn't wait to see my classroom.
Hi, Dexter. I'm Miss Sugarman. I'm your teacher. There are some kind of good surprises about kindergarten. For one thing, my friend Joey from preschool was there. Rufus was so happy to see him. He forgot to worry.
We made art. I think Rufus wants to lick the spoon. And cooked food. And smushed Play-Doh. I got to write letters and build a gigantic tower and play in the imagination station and look at books.
Then we went to the library. That's where you go if you want to know about snails or soccer or outer space or shark guts. You can borrow a whole book all about it and keep it practically forever. At lunch, you get to eat with all your friends in the cafeteria. It's exactly almost like a restaurant. Oh no! Ooh, you're gonna be in trouble.
And there are people called custodians who clean the whole entire school. And they even help you when you spill your milk by accident and you are scared you'll get in trouble. How about I wipe this up for you? Thank you. After lunch, everybody goes to recess. Joey says you can't get lost playing I am a monster and you are a powerful monster getter, because if someone's always chasing you, how can you get lost?
Hey, wait a second. Where's Rufus? Rufus is gone. Rufus is lost.
Why don't we get Jessie to help him find you? Maybe I left him in the cafeteria. Boys' bathroom, art room. Come on, we can check the library. It's down the hall. Library, music room, custodian closet, gym. Let's see if he's on the playground. Rufus is lost. Don't worry, I'm sure he's okay.
Rufus is gone. We couldn't find him anywhere. Wait a second. There he is. He's not lost. Rufus was so happy to see me. He knew I'd find him the whole time. You're staying home from now on.
Rufus is scared that I won't get to go to kindergarten tomorrow. You will, but what if I don't? You will, but what if I don't remember to wake up early and get ready to go to the bus stop on time? You will. I might not. You will, but what if I don't? I'm not that lucky. I'm going to learn lots of stuff in kindergarten, but the thing I learned today was kindergarten rocks. And Jessie says, I told you so.
On behalf of the Galewood teachers, staff, and myself, we can't wait to see you on August 19th for our first day of school. To enroll your child today, visit us at charlotteorioles.com or call 517-541-5742 to schedule an appointment. Thank you, and go Orioles!